Hello everybody and welcome to Fiesta Ottawa's warehouse and showroom. I'm going to take you on a tour today through our facility so that you have an understanding of the things that we can offer you and of course how we can work with you and how we can best support you for your event. So I'll take you through sections of our warehouse bit by bit so that you can take a look firsthand and then you'll also know what to expect when you come in. So we welcome you to our facility. Here we are in the Fiesta Ottawa warehouse. So we're just rearranging our entire warehouse to accommodate the additional inventory that's coming in. So we've just moved all of our chairs and tables to this end of the building, so it'll be close to the door. It'll be easier for getting them in and out for loading the truck and of course loading up our customer vehicles. We cover all of the chairs and the tables with these damaged linens just to keep the dust at a minimum, and that way they stay cleaner. Essentially, that's really what that's at. This corner here is being converted to rentals as well. It's just all that retail is on its way out. Just panning around slowly for you. We have, our pipe and drape for all your backdrop rental needs. We've increased our fancier backdrops to have more with sequins, more with sheer. And our pop-up tents are all the way at the top there because it's winter time. So our barbecues are up there, the small ones. The big ones are down here because they're too heavy to get up top. Percolator, snow cone, cotton candy, popcorn, outdoor cooking, some wedding bird cages down there at the back, big beer troughs, some wood bars. And we'll walk around to the middle aisle here, which will be all of our glasses. And here's one section of our cutlery. This is one style of cutlery on those boxes here. And here we go. We've got our beer glasses, our wine glasses, champagne flutes going all the way down the aisle here. And up top, way up top there, we have some stanchion posts that go with red velvet ropes. And some chafing kits up there, as well as up here. Our water wine goblets are stemless. Our tumblers are all down here. And then at the back of this aisle, we keep all of our dishware, our plates, the round ones, the Sabina round, the square, as well as the Snowdrop white and all the little bowls. Some metal centerpieces, they're called starlights. And tons of different thermoses for different kinds of events, outdoor events and more banquet hall events. All right, so we'll come back here. We'll go to our last aisle back here, which is where we keep our linen, which is the next area that's going to get a complete overhaul because we've just got more. This will be all converted to pallet racking. As you see, it is full. And we need to be able to utilize that height, so we've got pallet racking. So this is next up to get moved onto pallet racking. These are all of our colored linens, overlays, essentially. And our round linens are down here with some napkins at the end and more overlays on top. All the bins down here below are chair sashes and runners, all table runners by color and by fabric. The bigger bins underneath on the left and at the end, those are all of our chair covers. All the bins up top are all chair covers just as well. And our fancier overlays are in the middle aisle, which is satin. If I go down there, you won't see it because the light is not great here, which is, again, that's on order. It's been, it just went out, so we've got a new light on order. And we have our dish room here, so when you guys bring back all the dirty dishes, they come in here, they go through the machine, they get dried and polished and cleaned, and then they get wrapped if they're plates with the shrink wrap there. And if they're glasses, they go in the gray or the red corrugated plastic boxes. They either get a lid or they get a bag around the box. The red boxes have bags, the gray boxes have lids. This is the tour of our warehouse. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching this video. We truly appreciate you being here. We're trying our best to create videos for you to have the best information available about all the wedding rentals we do carry, so that you can make an educated decision and the correct choice for your event or wedding. You can request a quote online from our website, www.fiestaottawa.com, 24/7. Add all the items that you wish quoted to the cart, fill in the form, hit submit. It'll send us an email indicating that you wish to receive a formal quote for all the items that you added to cart. We will in turn create that quote, send it back to you. This is just a quote. This is not a commitment. No payment will be requested online. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so that you can stay on top of all the new videos coming out. And see you on the next video. Make it a great day.